everyone, my name is Sri Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel One Stop. During this pandemic, it was very difficult to manage household chores, basically sweeping and mopping. So I was looking for something which supports me in this sweeping and mopping activity at once, but not running the machine again and again. So here is my Eureka Probes Vac and Mop, which is a zero bend vac and mop, which can be used for both sweeping and mopping action at once. So it is my life. Vac and Mop contains this roller brush, which is used for both sweeping and mopping action, and it also has a dirty water collector which collects the dust and also the water after sweeping and mopping action. It can fit very easily and it is easy to operate also. And the vac and mop also contains the fresh water collector over here. This is a fresh water tank which can be used along with a solvent or a home cleaner solution which is provided by Eureka Probes. Also, any Lysol or a home disinfectant can be used for it. Vac and Mop comes with the self-cleaning tray where a sufficient water can be added in this area and we can run the machine so that the brush gets cleaned after each use, and also the brush stays dry as it sucks all the dust and the water available in the brush and leaves the brush clean and tidy and doesn't smell also. Vac and Mop comes with this brush holder which is very adaptable for the brush to hold after each use. Vac and Mop also comes with a very long cord which is easy for navigating throughout the home. This is the button below the handle which allows the water to spray during the mopping action. These are the two options available, rug and hard floor. Hard floor can be used for mopping and the vacuuming action of the floor, and the rug option can be used for carpets. This is the way to unlock the machine, and we hear a click sound and press the button. Again, it can stand on its own with just a simple move. After the mopping action, this is the way it mops and collects the dirt, also does the sweeping action. So, doing two things at a time saves my time. The advantage of this Eureka Vac and Mop is that it can clean the home all the time with the fresh water, hassle-free and dust-free. We don't have to dip the mop again and again in the same dirty water entire home or a room. There is a disadvantage also. The disadvantage is that the noise is a bit louder, where it creates a little noisy environment around the home. Still, this is my choice when it comes to vac and mop together, where it saves my time. Thank you.